Ayan. Oh, ayan guys, yung ating dive boat for tomorrow.
Yep.
Ang ganda, di ba? Ayan yung ating dive boat. Hey guys, good morning. Ayan, kakape tayo bago tayo last day na natin ngayon guys. Aalis na tayo mamaya. Pupunta na tayo sa ibang key naman. Parang ang key is parang island. So mag-o-open siya. Ilalagay natin ito. Ganyan. Tapos, first. Ganon. Then, saka natin siya. Ayan, nag-open na siya. Lalagyan natin siya ng tubig. May certain level lang siya. Ayan. Yan yung lagayan niya ng tubig. Level. Ayan. Tapos, saka natin ilagay ito dyan. Ayan. Ayan siya. Close natin ito. Ayan. Saka siya naglalagay na screw. Press natin. Ayan. Hintayin na natin siya. Labas yung kanyang kape. Ayan. Ang ganda, no? Kaya lang medyo mahal yung ganito, guys. Wait natin. Ang ganda. Gusto ko yan. Hintayin lang natin siya saglit. Oops! Ayan. Diba ang ganda, no? Magkape kapag gaganyan yung kape. Ito yung ating creamer. So, ayan, titimplahan na natin siya. Nilagay. And then drink. Oh, wow, ang sarap. Ayan, guys. Niluto ako ng breakfast natin. Tapos ito yung egg. Naka-impake na din ako. Kasi pupunta tayo sa ibang beach naman. Para mamaya, ready na kami. So, already, this one is done. Tapos na ito. So, yan guys, tapos na. Tapos habang naluluto yan, ginagawa ko dito ganito. Later. Saka tayo mag-ano ng bacon. Hati-hati. Anuhin lang natin ng ganito, maliliit. Ayan guys. Saka natin ilagay ito. Every morning, ganyan ang breakfast ng asawa ko. Lagyan ng cheese. Cheddar cheese. Ayan. Saka natin siya i-fold para ayan, ganyan lang yung kanyang food. Tapos na. So, ayan na guys yung aming breakfast. Ayan guys, kainan na. Food, may coffee, and here. Before we leave, this is now our last stay here. Stayed here for 5 nights. So, we're going to another key, Scuba Diving Island. And guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy our videos. See you again on my next vlog. Approaching another bridge again. So, pupunta na naman tayo sa another island. Guys, ayan, nakarating na tayo dito. Ito na yung ating dive site. Dito tayo mag-i-stay ng 2 gabi para sa ating diving. Ayan, oh, ayan guys, yung ating dive boat for tomorrow.
Yep.
Ang ganda, di ba? Kailangan nating ang laki. Yung ating dive boat, oh. Oh, Amore Dives. Ang galing, ganda. Magtutour tayo. Yan yung boat natin. Boat natin. Ang ganda. Yan guys, oh, tignan nyo. Ikot ko kayo. Ito lang pagka. Oh, yung tubig ang clear. Honey, look at the water. How deep is that? Maybe that's deep because there's a boat. Right?
Right.
Ganda. Ayan. Ayan, ikot ko kayo ha. Ayan. Op, nasa maling ano tayo. Ayan. Yan yung ating ano. hotel. Or mabigat kasi yung mga gear para sa mga nagda-dive. Kaya kailangan paglabas mo, andyan na kaagad. Ah, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. Papasok tayo sa ano ngayon, guys. Oh, ayan. Pasok tayo sa... Tignan natin kung ano yung room. Magtutour tayo. Ah, meron silang ano... Honey, you can go out over there using this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sunsets are great.
Kayak. Ilabas tayo doon. Ang clear ng tubig, oh. Ang ganda. Diba? Ang ganda. Restaurant and bar. Oh, look at the bird. Ang ganda. What is that? Lizard?
It's a lizard.
Doesn't hurt us?
I don't know. I've never seen anything look like that before.
Honey. Ayan guys. Ito tayo sa room. Check natin kung ano itsura ng room natin. Smell good.
That is a second bed if somebody else came with us.
Oh, okay. This is the kitchen. Ayan yung kitchen, oh. What's this? Ilang bathroom. The bed. Ayan. Hindi siya ganun kaganda, guys. Pero maganda yung view. No? Maganda yung view. Bye everyone. See you again. Bukas is magda-diving tayo tomorrow. 1-hour boat ride bago tayo makarating sa diving site. Yan. Again tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Alec, Rick, our Murph's on board. Thomas.
Yep.
Janet.
Yep.
And Michael.
Here.
Wonderful. Here. We're talking about a little bit about the boat. We're going to talk about where we're going to go. We're going to go and do it. If for some reason the boat decides to go underwater and be a submarine, we've got 2 big orange blobs on the roof. Those automatically deployed. Those are our life floats. You grab on the side of them. Don't climb in.
Little tiny touches down here keep thousands of years of damage. So please watch your big tip. Guys, make sure you take your seats. Keep your hands, all right? She's recording me over there. Yeah. I get real camera shy. You gotta chill with that.
Don't drop your phone over there.
All right. So once we hit the dock, you guys feel free to jump off. We will take care of your equipment. If you have your own equipment, there is a rinse bin up by the gear cage.